Hi, welcome to SC Life Quantitative Biology Patterns in Nature. I'd like to offer a word of welcome, give you my rationale for offering this course, and provide a quick rundown of some of the objectives for the course. Science has always captivated me. Growing up, I spent a lot of time outdoors exploring natural areas near my house and on property that my family owned. I was drawn to nature-based TV shows like Nova, Nature, National Geographic Explorer, and if you grew up in South Carolina in the 80s, you'll appreciate this, Nature Scene with Rudy Mankey. Not only did studying and collecting plants and animals give me enjoyment, but being outside gave me a sense of peace and comfort that still rings true today. When it came time to declare a college major, biology was a natural choice. I was fortunate to have professors who valued field biology, and those experiences were very formative in determining my eventual career path. As graduation approached, I didn't have a lot of clarity as to which direction to go next. A friend suggested I explore a teacher certification, which I did, and that ultimately led to 8 years of teaching high school and middle school science in 2 different school districts in South Carolina. About 5 years into my first teaching job, I started to become restless from an intellectual standpoint. It was hard to articulate, but I came to the conclusion that I needed the stimulation of graduate school. To make a long story short, I eventually completed a PhD in zoology with a concentration in community ecology, and I've had the privilege of teaching in higher education for the last 12 years, trying to emulate the significant mentors I had as an undergraduate. I'll probably elaborate on these things more as the course progresses, but there are several things that motivated me to want to offer a course like this. First of all, research and analysis are important aspects of scientific literacy. Watching nature shows and going for walks in the woods are all well and good, but science exists to answer questions and to add to our understandings of the natural world, and it does this through the enterprise of research. In incoming college students, I often see a lot of enthusiasm for science, but frequently a weak understanding of and even discomfort with principles of research and analysis. I'm of the opinion that we as educators can always benefit from talking about new and different ways to expose students to scientific methodology. 2. Biology, specifically ecology, or outdoor biology as I sometimes call it, is a great setting for introducing students to these concepts. I'm a proponent of hands-on experiential learning, and those are not very hard to do within the discipline of ecology. 3. Ecology is important. Humans play a pretty significant role in the landscape, and understanding how organisms interact with each other and with their environments is pretty practical stuff. Moreover, ecology is often found at the end of textbooks, and the school year ends before it can be adequately covered. It simply gets left out. And, as if those reasons aren't enough, ecology is quite simply a lot of fun. Fourth, this course will hopefully provide an opportunity to integrate scientific inquiry, mathematics, and biology in a fun and engaging setting. Today's STEM culture encourages and welcomes efforts like this. Finally, this course should help you give your students a glimpse of what real science can look like using equipment that won't cost an arm and a leg. You really can do significant things with limited resources. So having said that, the course, among other things, will cover basic principles and concepts of ecology, review principles of hypothesis-driven scientific inquiry, help you learn how to collect, describe, analyze, and interpret ecological data in the context of a research question, and encourage you to design standards-based activities and exercises to be used in an appropriate classroom setting. The course is divided into 3 parts: a 1-week online portion, a 1-week on-site portion, and a 2-week at-home portion. The online portion is organized around 5 modules of study. Each module consists of a study guide detailing each task for the module, including video presentations like this one covering major topics, links to relevant readings and resources, a homework assignment, and an online quiz. The on-site portion will consist of a significant amount of time in the field using various methods and equipment to quantify ecological patterns. The at-home portion will be used to wrap up exercises from the on-site portion and complete a couple of additional follow-up assignments. I'm very excited about this course, and I look forward to interacting both online and face-to-face.